Hello and welcome to the Murray Library at Messiah College. The goal of this video is to create citations for your research paper. For the upcoming community paper in CCC, your professor may have already selected a citation style for you, perhaps APA, Chicago, or MLA. To cite items correctly in your research paper, go to the Citing Sources page from the library homepage. Note that the library has resources to help you cite sources correctly. For APA, Chicago, or MLA, you can also use Writer's Reference to help you cite sources correctly. Let's go over how to do that. Open up your Writer's Reference ebook through your Canvas course. Go to the appropriate citation style. In this video, I will choose MLA. But note that you can also choose APA or Chicago, also called CMS in Writer's Reference. You will use the same process in Writer's Reference to create your citations. It's just that your citation will look different depending on the citation style that you use. Be sure to pay attention to the details such as capitalization and punctuation, as well as to the elements themselves. Under MLA Papers, select Documenting Sources. Then select the type of source that you have, whether a book, a journal article, or other type of source such as a website. Print books are fairly straightforward. Your citation will include the author name, period, the title in italics, period, the publisher name, comma, and the year of publication. Further down in this chapter, you will find information about how to cite books that are not print, such as ebooks found in library databases. When citing journal articles, you need to know how you access the journal article. In most cases, you access journal articles through library databases. So select Article from a database. In MLA style, you will then include these elements for the article citation. Author, period, article title in quotes, period, journal title in italics, comma, volume and issue number, comma, and note the abbreviated way to cite the volume and issue, the date, comma, and the page range, period. Again, noting the abbreviation for pages. Let's look at the final two elements in the citation from a library database. Include the name of the database. So that means you need to keep track of which database you found a certain article in. And finally, the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier. The DOI is a series of letters and numbers often found on the first page of a journal article, PDF. This DOI acts like an online call number to help you find journal articles online. If the DOI is not available, instead use a stable link to the article, often called a permalink, or a shortened URL of the database. As I mentioned earlier, APA and Chicago styles can also be found through Writer's Reference. The citation styles will look different than those of MLA. For example, you may not need a database name, so be sure to look up the citation style you are using and follow the citation style guidelines carefully. And always remember that the librarians are just a chat or email away for help when you need it. We're happy to help.